How to turn on autoplay on YouTube. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to turn on autoplay on YouTube. The first step is to open the YouTube app on your phone. Once you are on the home page, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. On the profile page, tap on the settings option at the top right corner. This will take you to the settings section of YouTube, where you can manage different features of your account. Scroll down until you see the section named Video and Audio Preferences. From the options listed under this section, tap on Playback. Once you tap on it, you will land on the playback page. On this page, there are several options related to playback controls. Among them, you will see a toggle button named Autoplay Next Video. If the toggle is currently disabled, you can turn it on by tapping on it. The process is very simple and takes less than a minute to complete. You can turn the feature off at any time by coming back to the same settings page. I hope this tutorial has helped you successfully turn on autoplay on YouTube. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to turn on autoplay on YouTube.